Hey, what's up guys? We got another unboxing for you. This is the Anker soundcore XL. It's supposed to be waterproof, like 16-watt speaker, like 15-hour battery life. Well, anyways, let's get to it. Alrighty, so we finally got through the box. And apparently I don't know how to open a box. Hey, yay, yay. Almost there. There we go. And here's the speaker. Here's the speaker itself. Here's how big it is. Here it is compared to my hand. It's got mesh in it, so it's waterproof. You can throw this speaker like in the pool and still be okay, as long as you got this back part on there. It's got the passive radiator right here, which kind of like shakes when it basses. It's got the output, aux, and the input. And that's pretty much it. It's got some information. Right. It's got a little clip where you can hang like a, I don't know, like a lanyard or something. Hey, look, it came with a lanyard. This is like my 4th lanyard. What? No USB cord. What? Oh, okay, there we go, never mind. And the other side, it's got the micro USB cord. The little guy. And that's pretty much it. I want to say that this is probably a foot long. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. You guys have a good one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. And please hit the alert button. And have a good one. Bye guys.